Some people get a date in minutes, while others get ghosted before hello. You might think it's a skill issue, but people can overcome it with a neat psychological trick. Let's see how it works. So, meet Ryan. He sees a girl at a party. Instead of jumping in with, hey, want to go out sometime? Which usually gets a polite, maybe, or a hard no, he starts small. He asks, hey, do you like music? Yes. Ever been to a rooftop concert? Yes. Would you go again if it's free? Yes. The stage is set. Ryan says, I actually have passes for one this Friday. Want to join me? By then, she's already nodded 3 times. A fourth yes is easy. That's the yes ladder in action. It's a psychological technique where you get someone to say yes to small, easy questions first. Each yes builds momentum, and when the real question comes, they're already conditioned to agree. Why? Because humans have a natural desire to stay consistent with what they've already said or done. Marketers do it, politicians do it, even your clingy ex probably did it. It's everywhere. So next time you're shooting your shot, start with a simple question and let psychology do the heavy lifting. Because the best way to win someone over is one yes at a time.